everyone, what's up? It's Natalie. I am filming a get ready with me. It's gonna be super casual and I just wanna do kind of an updated everyday makeup routine. If you guys are new here, hey, I'm glad that you stumbled across this video. If you guys wanna subscribe, that would be awesome. Do it. Thanks for watching this video and I am going to get started in the makeup look and just talk to you guys about my day. I'm currently on my lunch break at work. We work from home on Fridays though. I feel like a broken record. I say that in so many videos because I film so many like weekend in my lives and they all start on Fridays. So I'm always like, oh yeah, on Fridays we work from home. I do consulting, blah, blah, blah. So I feel like people who watch my videos, like every video of mine, they're probably like, Natalie, we get it. You work from home. Oh, that dollop just fell out of my hand. Starting off with primer, as I always do. I'm using my Laura Mercier primer, and all the products will be linked down below. This one's my favorite though. I really love this primer. And I had a rash on my face in my last, like 2 videos ago maybe, or maybe it was my last video. I think it was 2 videos ago. My what I wear to work video, and so many of you guys helped me out or tried to give me like such great tips, so thank you guys, and like told me that you guys had similar things. And so many of you guys were like, girl, just go to a dermatologist. And I'm like, okay, I scheduled the appointment, but like, can I still ask? Seriously? But it went away. They gave me like a steroid cream and it's pretty much gone now, so I'm just hoping that it does not flare up. But it was some allergy of some kind. I don't know what it was. Now I'm going in with my Luminous Silk Foundation by Armani. This one is my favorite foundation. It is amazing. So I am going in with this, and I just got this. I got it when I went to New York with Tasha for New Year's, and it's literally like the best foundation. It's very expensive. It's $60, I think, for a foundation, which is pretty, you know, not little. But I do think that it is worth it. It's so nice. Like, it literally makes you look absolutely flawless and like still radiant and glowy. Like, it really does a good job at making you very, very glowy, and it like doesn't show any of your pores, and it's just such a wonderful foundation. And I'm one of those people that I like wearing like foundation or a tinted moisturizer when I'm wearing makeup. Like, a lot of my friends don't wear foundation, they just do concealer and then that's it. But like, I don't know, for my skin tone to be like match the rest of my body and just for me to feel more put together, I feel like I have to wear foundation. I'm filming this on my lunch break because I literally do work all the time on my lunch break. My lunch break is time for like editing videos or catching up with calls or planning out my week, which is very rare. Normally I'm actually like editing or filming even. Like, I live very close to where I work, so sometimes instead of walking to my car and like losing my parking spot because I paid for parking all day, I'll just Uber home. So I'm spending like 20 bucks back and forth on an Uber. But like, to me, like, time is money type of thing, where like I need that time to film, so it's worth it. But that is one downside of working. It's like managing my time. Like, it's been definitely a challenge, but it's been a fun challenge. So now I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape concealer, and this is my favorite concealer. Also, I feel like it's one of those that people talk about a lot and you're like, is it overrated? But like, I personally don't think it's overrated. So I'm just putting that underneath my eyes because I have been so sleep deprived. I am normally a morning person, and it is so hard for me to wake up in the mornings nowadays, which is unlike me because I would always wake up so early. Like, in college, I would wake up at like 6 a.m. to go work out, and now I just can't do that. Like, I still work out before, so I'll wake up at like 7 or something, but it's such a struggle, and I like skip the gym a lot, and I need to get better at that. So I've been definitely slacking in the gym department lately, and so many of you guys in like my college videos, when I would talk about like fitness and stuff, I was like, I don't have time to work, I get up so early, I come home from work so late, then I have to make dinner, blah blah blah, shower. And I totally relate to that. Like, if I did not live as close as I do to where I work, I honestly don't know when I would find the time in the day to work out. Like, I'm so lucky that I live 10 minutes away. I'm using this Shine Control Powder from Neutrogena. It's just like a translucent powder, and I'm just putting that all over my face. And then I'm like patting it underneath my eyes so that my concealer doesn't smudge. I am using my Urban Decay Beached Bronzer in the color Bronzed. Now I'm using my MAC Soft and Gentle highlighter. This is my favorite highlighter in the world, you guys. It is so awesome. And getting a little pop. Look at that highlight. It's so nice. My nose. As for blush, I'm using this Pixie Glow. It's like this like ombre-ish color of, goes from light pink to bronze. And I'm just kind of doing it in the middle, like just like tapping my brush in the middle. Now moving on to the eyes, I'm gonna start by priming my eyelids. So I just use this CoverGirl, or not CoverGirl, Revlon, sorry, Revlon Color Stay. And I'm gonna start with my eyebrows. I use the Anastasia Brow Wiz for my eyebrows. But I forgot what I was saying. I think I was saying how I live really close to my work. So that's why I moved. So my parents live in Charlotte. Like I am from Charlotte, technically outside of Charlotte, but essentially Charlotte. Like we literally live like 5 minutes away from the actual Charlotte. So I just live in like a suburb, but it takes with traffic in the morning, like an hour to get to work. So with traffic, it takes about an hour, which is when I would be leaving to get to work. Without traffic to get to work, it takes like 30 minutes. It's not like horrible. Like I could definitely do the commute. And I did the commute for about 4 months. I did the commute. So it wasn't bad. Like it wasn't horrible, but I was just so tired of it. And then I started just getting more like brand deals and getting bigger on YouTube. So I wanted to spend a lot of time focusing on YouTube, and with being in a car, and on the way back it would take like an hour and a half because on the way back traffic was way worse. So it would take me like an hour and a half on the way back, an hour on the way there. That's 2.5 hours of my day that I could honestly be using to film that I'm not using. So for me, I honestly was like essentially kind of not losing money, but like it was making me really stressed out, and if I wasn't able to film, then yeah, I was losing money because YouTube is my second job. So I do make money off of it, and it is like a second career for me. So I just needed something more realistic and more feasible, that, and also just for like my mental health, for me not to be like so stressed and anxious all the time about that. And then also I wasn't able to work out because I was driving so much and then had to film. So working out for me is like a high. Like I get like the endorphins are real. Like I feel like I need to work out just to like relieve stress and stuff like that. So then the fact that I wasn't being able to do that, to just everything combined, I needed to move closer to work. That is why I am at an apartment. I'm living in an area with a lot of young people. Like everyone around here is like a young professional. Like everyone around here probably graduated within the past 5 years, like, and 5 is even a stretch. I want to say in the past like 3 years, but we'll just say 5. So everyone's in like their early 20s, early to like mid 20s, which is really, really nice because it's just more fun and like can meet more people. And yeah, it's been really great. Like I've enjoyed my time here, and it's also allowed me to learn more about Charlotte, North Carolina, and like actually appreciate it more, because when I grew up here in high school, like I was like, yeah, I hate North Carolina, I don't like Charlotte, like it's not fun. But I realized it actually is a fun city if you go out to the right places and stuff like that. Like I'm not in the suburbs anymore. Charlotte is growing so much, it's like an actual city now. And now I am using this Ciate Pretty Fun and Fearless palette, and I am going to just be mainly working with these like top 3 shades, and then this on the lid. So it's gonna be a very, very neutral color. So I'm gonna do like the lightest color and just start blending that in to see, because sometimes the light colors will surprise you and they'll actually be really dark. So like this, honestly, I think is like good enough for the look I'm going for. So I might not need even the darker ones yet. A lot of you guys are from Charlotte, North Carolina, so let me know if you are, because that's just like so cool. If I see you guys around, please come and say hi to me. Someone DM me if I was at Suffolk Punch, which is some like brewery slash restaurant slash coffee shop. Like literally they have everything. And it's like a really, really cool place. And I was there with my family for brunch. And someone was like, were you there? Like, I think I saw you. And I was like, oh my God, whoops. And I was like, yes, I was there. Like, I wish you would have said hi. It seriously, guys, makes my day when I meet you guys. I'm not just saying that to be nice and to be like, oh, thank you guys. Like, I genuinely mean it makes my day. Ask anyone that I'm with. Like, if someone comes up to me when I'm with someone else, my day is completely made. Like, I'm just like, oh my gosh, like, she was so cute. Like, did you see that? Like, that, I'm so happy. Like, I have a smile on my face the rest of the day. So please come up to me if you ever see me. Okay, now that I'm done with that simple eye look, I'm just going to line my eyes with an eyeliner. I'm using Kat Von D Tattoo Liner. This is the best eyeliner, and I'm using it in the shade Brown. Now I am going to add mascara. But comment down below where you guys live, because I also just like to know where you guys are from, just to see if I ever am in that area. Like, maybe I should do a meetup. And like on my Instagram story, I posted that one of the top places I want to go this year is Boston, because I've never been to Boston, and then I feel like I've been to so many places that it's like weird that I haven't been to Boston. And so many of you guys said that you guys lived in Boston. I was so shocked. I got like so many responses. Comment down below where you guys live, where I should go next. I hate putting on mascara, you guys, so I'm gonna be quiet so I don't get it everywhere. Whew, okay, done with mascara. And now I'm applying my favorite lip gloss. It literally makes me look like I got lip injections. It is this Tarte H2O gloss. It's not only moisturizing, it's just the prettiest color. So glossy. It's in the color Hang 10. I really feel like I look like I got lip injections. Okay, this is the look, you guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Sorry I was looking at the viewfinder like the whole time, because that was kind of like my mirror, but this is it. This is basically what I do every day if I'm actually applying makeup. Sometimes I just do tinted moisturizer. Sometimes, most of the time, I don't wear any makeup. But when I do decide to kind of go glam, then this is the look that I do. That's still pretty casual, but nice and put together. So I hope that you guys like this video and my random ramblings. Stay tuned for a life update where I actually sit down and talk to you guys about my life. I didn't want to give too much away in this video, so be sure to subscribe to see that, and be sure to subscribe to see my other videos and stick around. So thank you guys so much. I love you so much, and that's the end of this video. So I'll see you guys later. Bye guys.